So to start a new patient, we click this button right here, put in any information that is necessary. So here we will do not their real name, first name or last. And then the important information that we need to get the correct measurement, we will need height, and notice that it is in centimeters. So 183. For weight also, it is in kilograms. So we'll just put a number there. We can add smoking status, yes or no, gender, male or female, and then birth date. We want to make sure that we put in the information to give us at least the correct age, but we don't need to put in the actual birth date if we're trying to de-identify information. And then from there, we hit save. Now our patient is created. So when we're gonna start taking a measurement on a participant, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out the correct cuff size. The cuff sizes, as you can see here, is indicated here by an M. This is medium, L, large. So we're gonna try a medium today. So we take the cuff, we look for artery, and it's important for the participant to have short sleeves on so they're not wearing anything under the cuff. We want the cuff to be on the skin. So here we position the cuff correctly. Here, the artery, the arrow will be facing down, and we get a snug fit. Here we can see there's a line here, and under here there's a line here. If we can only see one line, then we have a good fit. If the other line here was showing, then the cuff would be too big, and we would have to try another cuff size. But here we can see one line, it's a snug fit, so that should be good for this one. Then we take the hose, we insert the hose into there. When we're done taking the measurement, to remove the hose, this knob right here, we pull it and it releases the tube from the machine. So we put it in here, make sure that it's a tight fit. Then we hit the on button, the power button. From here, we're gonna hit this button here. We're gonna hold it till we see BT on the display, and then that will connect the ABPM to the software. From here, we're going to take a PWA measurement. The patient's information has already been set up in the software. So we hit PWA. And then from here, we're going to hit OK. This will initiate a measurement from the ABPM. After the measurement is complete, we will hit save. And we now have all the data that we need from this measurement that we took. And here you can see the measurement is listed under Office PWA measurement and by date. So if we want to find information on a participant that we have already collected data on, we go to File, Patient List. We find our participant from this list right here. Do this one, double click. And then it brings us to their information. So from here, if we did a pulse wave analysis measurement, we can go here and find all of the data from that measurement in these different tabs. Here you can see it lists the date that the measurement was taken. If there are multiple measurements taken on different dates or the same date, they'll all be listed here. Now, if we want to export this data into an Excel file, we go to Measurement Series, and then we can export as an Excel file. We choose where we want to save it. The file name, we'll leave it as is, and we'll hit Save. From there, we can go into our file, open up Excel. In here, we have all the information that we collected for this participant.